Hello guys, welcome back. So today we will see what is the problem with scopes of the bean. Okay, so we know, we all know that there are various scopes of a bean, like singleton is the by default scope, prototype scope, and session and request scope also are there. But those are used with web applications. And for now, we will talk about prototype and singleton scopes. And we will also see what is the really problem with these scopes can occur. Okay. So we will take one real world example. I have prepared here steps. So let's state that we all learn in college. Okay. This is one real world example. This is problem statement. We all learn in college, and in college there are having multiple departments. Okay. And those departments, so we want each department different. So there are different departments and we want different department every time. We don't want the same department each time. Okay, we want different departments. So this is our requirement actually. And but if you don't configure your Spring Boot application properly, then you might get same department each time. That is not, it not makes sense, right? So getting the same department, because it is having multiple departments. So some people want to go to different department. Okay, how he will go? So this problem, I will prove it and I will show you how this problem occurs and how to get resolved it. Okay, so let's start it. So this is our main application. Let's create a college bean here. Okay, college bean. By default, any bean is singleton bean. We all know it. Add the component. So we are not mentioning any scope, which means that it is the singleton bean. So we also mentioned that let's create another bean, that is department. Component. So now, for now, these both beans are by default singleton beans. Okay, so try to get it. Application context dot get bean. Okay, college dot class. Perfect. So now store it in college variable. Let's say it's college 1. Okay, print it. Print this object of, let's say hash code. Okay, hash code of college 1 is comma plus college 1. Perfect. So now we will create college 2. College 2. Try to get it second bean. Hash code of college 2 is college 2. How to prove any bean is singleton or not? Just check the hash code is same or not for these 2 beans. Okay, run it as Java application. We will see everything from scratch. Okay, so see this hash code is same, which means that By default, it is singleton. Singleton means only one object is creating. Okay. Now we have all these things. So in college, let's say we have dependency of this department. Okay. So, private department. Okay. And you know, auto. Perfect. And say we have Autowired. Okay. College is having department. So let's try to, now this department is also, singleton only. Try to get the department. Okay. We try to get department from college 1. Department from college 1 is college 1 dot. Okay. Let's create getters and setters for this. Source, generate getters and setters. Okay. Perfect. Getters and setters got generated. College 1 dot get department. Department from college 1 is this. Okay. Department of college 2 is college 2 dot get. Perfect. Now try to print the hash code. Run as Java application. As both beans are singleton beans. Okay. College is having 905. Second college is having 905. And department is having same object because both are prototype. Okay. Sorry, both are singleton. So now try to make department as prototype bean. How you will make any bean as prototype bean? At the rate scope. Okay. Let's see what is there inside the scope. Value equal to at the rate scope value equal to configurable bean factory dot scope underscore prototype. Configurable value equal to configurable bean factory dot scope underscore prototype. So you want different department each time, so that you made scope as prototype for this department. Now what you are expecting, you should get different bean. That is what your expectation is here. But see, observe the output properly here. What you will get, that is the problem. Okay. Observe the output for department. You will get the same department each and every time. That is the problem. You understand the problem? What is the problem here? You want different department because you made department as prototype. You want different department each and every time, but still it is giving the same department to you, which means it is the problem. And this problem in Spring, it said that complex scope, and it is having the problem. So we need to resolve it. So you want the bean every time different bean, right? So we need to add the proxy. Okay, we need to add the proxy. If you see this tag, so How do you add the proxy? Which means that if you add the proxy, which means instead of directly giving department, it will give a proxy to the college. Okay, proxy will make sure college will get a new department every time it's requested. You need to add this additional attribute inside address scope annotation to configure a proxy. The question might come in your mind that how to configure the proxy. The solution and answer is you need to configure proxy by using like this. Till this point you already did, right? Till this point you already did. You need to put one comma and need to add proxy mode equal to scoped proxy mode dot target class. You need to add this. So let's add it. Proxy mode equal to scoped proxy mode. Okay. Comma proxy mode equal to scoped proxy mode dot target class. This is how you are configuring proxy. This is how you are saying spring that give me department each and every time new department. Now run our application. So you will get different department each and every time. Okay, you understand, right? How we solve that one? See, department ID is this one different. Department ID this is different. But you know, college is same and department are different. Our problem is solved. How our problem is solved? By using the proxy mode. Okay. So thank you guys. This tutorial we learned how to configure proxy. Okay, stay tuned. Thank you and keep learning.